Oh, we're heading to the Granny Whip. We haven't used this car yet this year.
We're going to the movies.
We're going on a date night. But it's a special kind of date night because we're going to the movies so we don't have to talk to each other.
That's the usual date nights for most people, actually.
Yeah. 40 years of marriage, that's what that does.
Yeah.
This is Sandy's daily driver. And it's the Granny Whip. All the pollen on it right now. This car still has the new smell to it. The new car smell. It is in immaculate condition. And yeah. The beautiful Sandy. Oh, get the air on here, hon. Start the car. Come on.
Yeah, okay. Jesus.
She takes so long to do things.
That's because I
Come on,
do
turn
it.
the AC on.
Well, all right. So, but
Do you
it's
remember how to do it?
nope. It's not going to.
No. There it is there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now push the AC.
Yeah, I already had it on.
Okay. No, you didn't. I turned it on, for God's sakes.
All right. Anyways, it's not going to happen immediately. It takes a bit for the cool air to work.
RV that we purchased, it has air conditioning. It has actually three rooftop ones and then the dash one. But anyways, I'll do my own window, dear. Thank you. You gonna be okay? Like, you remember how to drive?
No.
Guys, we are going
Negative.
to the famous Kinmount Theater. I guess I gotta put my seatbelt on in this damn car. Yeah, because it'll start beeping.
Yeah, well, I forget how long it takes.
Yeah, I guess I should put it on anyways, right, guys? Yeah. So I know. I'm a bit of one of them guys that would rather not put it on, but in reality, I should. So we are going to the famous Kinmount Theater. This thing, the Kinmount Theater it's a museum. It's just beautiful. And we are going to go see that Tom Cruise, is it like Mission Impossible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the last of the series.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah,
think.
it's a big deal. Now, the Kinmount Theater right now is not open all week long. It's only open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Sandy and I came here the other week to go watch the movie on I think it was Tuesday actually.
Yeah, maybe.
And it was, we were the only car in the parking lot, and it was closed. And then Sandy noticed on the website that it hasn't opened all week long yet. I'm not sure when that'll happen, but it's open 4 days a week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And it's, wow, what a cool place. Would you mind slowing it down a bit? I mean, like, you're kind of like a rally car in this thing.
Yes, dear.
Like, holy smokes. So we leave the car in storage in the garage on a charge. But it does get still dusty, right? Like, and we really haven't had time to wash it. I washed my motorcycle today, but we haven't had time.
The Ford?
No, I didn't wash the car, the other car either. No, and our Cadillac we don't even wash. We just drive it.
I think some of the dirt keeps things together.
Yeah. Yeah, that car has been a beast. What a great car that Cadillac SRX has been. Wow, what a great car. And, we haven't had any really problems with it, only the one issue one time, and money fixed that. So, I mean, Jesus, what a story that was. I mean, like, I took it to the dealer, and the dealer couldn't even fix it.
Yeah.
So I had to take it to Joe's Diagnostic, and Joe had it fixed, no trouble at all. Wow, that was so disappointing. But anyhow, that car is
Disappointing meaning what, dear?
meaning that the dealer should have had the equipment to fix it, like the
Yes.
technology to, you know, diagnose and go right to where. Oh, yeah, you guys know what I mean. Anyways, they didn't, but Joe fixed it. So
And
that
Joe
was cool.
was an older guy.
Yeah. Watch these branches on the side of the road, man. Like there's no, you know, there was nobody coming there. You knew that.
Yeah.
That'll scratch and dent the car. Especially this aluminum body. This is an aluminum body car, guys. And so it should never rust, of course. Well, it won't. Aluminum doesn't really rust, it oxidizes. But yeah, handles really nice and it drives really nice. But the Cadillac did too. I mean, now I think the Cadillac, with the mileage that it has on it, it needs shocks and, you know, everything's just really worn on it. But we keep driving it.
How many miles or kilometers?
It's 390,000 kilometers, I believe. About, I think that's around 250 or 1,000 miles, 260. I can't really remember, but yeah, we're pushing 400. I think that car is going to go to 440. I would like to see 440. I don't know why that number's in my head, but I've had cars last 525,000 kilometers before. So without breaking apart the engine, like, you know, sure, an alternator and starter, absolutely, but never having, you know, water pumps, but never having to break open the engine. Yeah, I've had vehicles at 525k. It's the turtle season up here in northern Ontario, and the turtles cross the road, and so you got to watch for them. I don't know how you can see a turtle with the visor down and the sun is not in your eyes. Sandy likes to drive with the visor down.
So, because I'm lower in the seats, so the sun does not shine so brightly in my eyes. That's why they have visors, dear, in cars for people.
Good morning, guys. So we're back at it again. So look at, we told you we bought this RV. And what I've done here, I mean, for about 3 kilometers, our road is, well, you know, it's a country, sort of a little bit more than a country road. But we had an ice storm over the winter, and some of the trees are leaning a little bit, and you know, the city hasn't gotten around to cleaning the road. We're on a city road, but you know, since we're bringing this rig in here in a couple of weeks, we want to make sure that all the branches and whatnot are not going to hit the coach. So what I've done here on my old pickup truck is I've made this apparatus. Now this is bigger, this is wider, this is about 20 inches wider than the rig itself. The height is the same. The top of that bracket up top would be the height of the satellite dome.
Yeah.
Now,
Which is in the middle.
which is in the middle of the rig, right? So, you know what? If we drive down the road and we don't hit any branches with this thing, then I'm happy with that. And we've already cleared out, I'd say 1/3 of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As best we can.
Yeah, we've
But
cleared.
we should just do a final look through just in case it
Well,
missed.
we're still. So today we're going to continue on doing the road.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the final afterwards, right?
Yep. Of
But
course.
you know, so here we are. We're going to drive this, and we've picked a day here where it's Tuesday today, and what happens is not very many people use the road, right? They're not up. You know, there's not going to be much traffic. So we'll put the emergency flashers on, and we're going to head down the road and see about the branches beyond where we did the last time.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go for it. This is crazy, eh, guys? I mean, like, you know, you've never met two bigger idiots than us. This is how crazy it is. Watch this. Sandy gets up on the roof of the truck and she lops off these branches. See, now, we would never get that close to the side of the road, okay? We're doing extra precautions here, right? We would never, like, we'd be in the ditch if we were this close. So we were really never worried about these branches, but we're gonna take care of them anyways. Now, some of you guys are gonna ask, why am I not up on top of the roof? Well, there's no explanation for that, guys. Okay, dear, that's good. That's it. Okay, get down. Come on, dear, get down. Forget about the bugs.
Yeah, okay, I'm down.
That's as far down as you want to go. Look at that. We're idiots. Can you imagine, like, people looking at this? Unbelievable. That's hardly worth it there, is it? Or what? Just take a couple of, yeah, go ahead. Not only that, Sandy doesn't weigh a lot, so she doesn't dent the roof of the truck. Not that that matters. We really don't care about the roof. This truck's an old truck, guys. I mean, like, again, yeah, it's not a big deal if she dented the roof. I just don't want to see her hurt, of course. This is not the brightest thing that we've done, guys, but you know, yeah, we're idiots.